Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain how to check whether given number is perfect number or not in a Python. Program to check whether given number is perfect number or not. Now, first of all, we have to accept one number. For accepting one number, we use input function. Enter any number. It is displayed on monitor. Whatever you enter, the value received by input function in string format. String format to integer format conversion required. For that, we use into function. After converting, the value we have to store in one variable, for example a. Now a factors we have to find out. You have to add. If the result is equivalent to given number, that is called perfect number. For example 6. For example 6. 6 factors. 1 is a 6 factor. 2 is also 6 factor. Factor means if the remainder comes, if the remainder 0 comes, that is called factor. See, 6 modulo division 1, remainder is 0, it is a factor. 6 modulo division 2, remainder 0, it is a factor. 6 modulo division 3, remainder is 0, it is a factor. 6 modulo division 4, it will get 2, so it is not a factor. 6 modulo division 5, it will get 1, it is not a factor. 6 modulo division 6, you will get a 0. 6 also factors. Except 6, except given number, remaining factors, if you add, again result is 6. Sum of the factors except given number, if it is equivalent to this number, given number, then it is called perfect number. This program I am going to explain. To display factors, to calculate sum of the factors, in previous videos I explained. If you watch that, you will get a more clarity. Here I equal to 1 while I less than a, because except that number, except given number. 1 to given number, we have to check each and everything factor or not, but except given number, that is the reason 1 less than a, I less than a. If a percentile I double equal to 0, then it is a factor. We have to add to sum. Sum equal to sum plus I. Sum equal to 0. The loop should be continued. So I equal to I plus 1. We can write in short form I plus equal to 1. That meaning also I equal to I plus 1. Now suppose entered value is 6. Suppose assume a value 6. Then I starts with 1. Some value 0. 1 less than 6. True. 6 modulo division 1. 0. 0 double equal to 0. True. Then it is a factor. It will be added to sum. I becomes 2. Again 2 less than 6. True. 6 modulo division 2 double equal to 0. Yes. Then it will be added to sum. Like this it is continued. After termination of while loop, if sum is equal to given number, then it is a perfect number. So print, yes, given number is perfect number. Else, no, given number is not a perfect number. Given number is perfect number here. See, I'll save, I'll run, file, save, run module. 6, yes, given number is perfect number. I'll execute once again. Suppose 76, no, given number is not a perfect number. For getting more information on Python, you visit my blog Python by venkateshmansani.blogspot.com. For getting more information on Python, you can visit my blog.